What is up, my beauties? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm Michaela Shanti. Welcome to the beauty tribe, okay? We're about to get into this wash and go tutorial today. If you guys like this tutorial, you gotta hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment down below on what you guys think about this wash and go or any other looks or little videos you guys want to see from me, okay? And we're about to get into this curly hair wash and go routine today, okay?
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can.
Alright, what is up, my beautiful boos? Welcome back. We're in another video today. We're about to do this wash and go today. Right now I'm just taking out my matted up hair. It's really frizzy. It's hard to get out. So I'm over here struggling because it's been about a week since I washed my hair. Yes, you guys, a week. Curly hair, you shouldn't wash every day. Really, you guys shouldn't wash, your natural hair every single day because you're washing out the natural oils. But with curly hair, it gets so dehydrated, and you guys can see this dehydration is real, okay? It is super real. So I'm going in with my tea tree mint shampoo. This is an ultra hydrating blend with Australian tea tree oil, milk protein, and peppermint oil. Helps to add moisture and strength, nourish your hair for hydration and balance. So I'm about to put that, I'm about to wet my hair first before I do that. But what I'm about to do is put it on my scalp more than so my ends, because that's mainly the part you focus on with the shampoo, is getting, you're trying to shampoo out all the nasty dirt and everything that's built up in your hair, okay? And we're, pouring it out, giving a little bit of aesthetic over here, okay? And I'm just getting a fair amount, rubbing it into my scalp. And you want to stimulate that scalp, because also stimulating it will help your hair grow more, and also, open up them little follicles. And it just gives you, a breath of fresh air. And literally with this tea tree mint shampoo, I really like organics, these organics products. You can find these at Walmart, Target. There's a lot of places you can find these organics products as well. And now I'm just washing all of that product out of my hair. And and basically when you shampoo your scalp and everything, and basically you're not really focusing on the ends, once you put the water through, it's gonna all wash through your whole head of hair. And that's why I have my head tipped over, because all of it's just all that shampoo is gonna go through all of my hair, get it all clean. And especially you'll know your scalp and everything is just fully clean. And now I'm going in with my nourishing coconut milk conditioner. So this is indulge your senses with exclusive blend with coconut milk, coconut oil, and ultra whipped egg white proteins. This exotic formula helps add strength, elasticity, hydration, and balance for healthy hair. So this is usually my go-to, you guys, for conditioner. Like, I am always using this conditioner. Usually if I go to the store, it has to be some type of little coconut conditioner that I usually get. And it's very hydrating. I love the organics. Like I said, I love these organic products. So they're like my little go-tos. So it works very well on my hair. I love coconut conditioners. They're very hydrating, and they help your hair get that strength back, get that hydration back. And they work very well. And right now I'm just stimulating my scalp as well, getting those follicles awake so they can, grow. And then now I'm just adding some more as well, so I can drench my ends in that as well, because your ends are really what you want to focus your conditioner on, because that is the most part that gets split ends and it gets dry. So you will want to focus on your ends as well. And also, you guys, I'm taking just a wide tooth comb. If you guys have curly hair like mine, I brush mine out in the shower. I cannot brush my hair out of the shower without conditioner, because it just turns into a whole, I'm back in the 70s, like literally afro and everything. Like, I cannot brush my hair out the shower. So I always just take a wide tooth comb. The comb that I have, I don't remember where I purchased it. I think it might have been from Sally's Beauty, but it works very good. You can use that comb in wet or dry. You can use it in the shower, you can use it out of the shower. If your hair's wet or dry, it doesn't even matter. It works. And you guys, this brushing process, usually it takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to brush out all of my hair and make sure everything is brushed through. And especially this helps put all the conditioner through your hair as well, so you can get all those little curls, you know, drenched with hydration and get that elasticity, so you guys can get that hydration back into your curls. And also, you guys, comment down below on what types of conditioners you guys like to use, or what shampoos you guys would like to use as well. And tell me, I want to know your guys' feedback, and let me know what type of products you guys like to use for your wash and go routines. And I'm just really trying to like brush through everything, you guys, and make sure that all my hair is combed out, because you know, once you do this comb out, you want to make sure that everything's combed out, all your hair, because like I said, you guys, you cannot brush curly hair outside of the shower without conditioner, because you just be looking like you got a whole afro. And you guys see how the comb is running easily through my hair. That's when you know that everything is really combed through and everything's detangled. And the conditioner really does work as a detangler as well, so that's why usually I use it. And then now also I'm just tipping my hair over, and I'm brushing all of my hair from the back of the scalp to the front, because the natural oils that we have in our hair, they are at the like nape. I don't know if it's called the nape, you guys, but the back of our head. So when you brush your hair forward like that, you're putting all those natural oils that are naturally in your hair to the front of your hair. That's why and there's so much shedding, you guys. That's why you see the back of your hairs are always very hydrated. And that's about how much shedding I got, you guys, from this wash and go. Really, it wasn't a lot, because I can get more shedding than that sometimes, you guys, but that's about how much I got this time. And I'm just rinsing it out, rinsing it through. And really at this point, you guys can just finger comb through your hair, because we already worked through it with that wide tooth comb, so it's easily just finger detangible. I don't even know what word, you guys, I'm trying to use, but you can brush it out with your fingers. And this is what it's looking like after we conditioned it and we shampooed it. And you guys can see that hydration is just being sucked into those curls, and it looks way healthier than it did in the beginning of the video with those dried up curls. And it's looking way better and way more hydrated than it did before. And you guys, I have about type 3B, 3C hair, if you guys wanted to know. And I'm also taking not a towel, you guys, a cotton t-shirt. You can use any cotton t-shirt you guys have, because cotton t-shirts, they leave your hair less frizzy, because if you use a towel, it's going to leave your hair more frizzy than if you used a cotton towel. So every time you guys get out the shower, just get a cotton little towel, wrap your hair up, and it'll be less frizzy, way less frizzy than using the towel. And I let it sit in for about 5 minutes. And that's how it looks like after it dried up and everything. Just a little bit. It's still damp though. And now I'm going in with this tea tree oil. It's a soothing scalp spray, and it says spray tea tree soothing scalp spray directly on the scalp where needed to soothe itching and irritation. And you do not rinse this product as well. So basically it just gives your scalp, you know, a little hydration, so you don't have, you know, little flakies or, you know, some dandruff. It just hydrates your scalp. And it actually, after using this, you guys, my scalp felt minty. It felt refreshed. So I liked this little product. And it's just, you know, after you get out the shower, just give your scalp a little spray and, you know, just rub it in with your fingers like I am. And it gets it all, that scalp all stimulated, and you get no dandruff and a good old scalp. And also I picked that up at Sally's Beauty Supply. These items I picked up at Sally's. And also this is the Mystic Divine Luminous Shine Smoothing Mask. This has Tahitian Tamanu oil, Moroccan argan oil, African shea butter, and camellia oil. So this hydrates, smooths frizz, and superior shine. So that's what the product looks like. And oh my god, you guys, when I open this up, I cannot describe to you how good this product smells. Like, this is at Sally's. You guys can pick this up at Sally's Beauty Supply. And it's very creamy. I love the smell of it. It was the first time using it, and this little mask I really was digging this mask. It's very creamy, very smooth. It smells very good. And I'm about to, you know, pat it into my hair, you know, get it all drenched up. So we can put a little bit more hydration into these curls, because I haven't really done like a deep condition or anything like that in a while. And this mask just gives me back that hydration that I've been needing in my life. And you really just want to brush this through. You can finger comb it through like I am, throughout all your hair. Make sure everything's saturated. And then if you need a little bit more, like I'm just putting that all on my ends, because I'm trying to drench all my hair into this mask so it can soak up all this hydration and all these little oils. And also comment down below, you guys, what type of mask you guys have at home, or what products you guys like to use down in the comments below. And this mask, it said to leave it in for about 3 to 5 minutes, and this is how it's looking like after I left it in for probably I left it in a little longer, probably maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. And I made sure all my hair was saturated up with this little mask. And then I'm about to wash it out right now. So I washed it out off of camera, and you can see that shine peeking through, that little hydration. And I wrapped it up in my cotton towel as well. And then now I'm going in with this Coconut and Manoi Deep Moisture Milk Cream. It has argan oil and sunflower oil. It says a triple dose of lasting moisture for nourishing softness and healthy sheen. This is for dry, thirsty hair. And it has no parabens, no petroleum, no gluten, and no phthalates. So it's more like organic, I guess, or better for, you know, all that extra crap they be putting in beauty products or hair products. And basically it said just put a small amount. It said don't go overboard, so I just put a little bit in my hair. And you just leave it in your hair as well until you do your next wash, your wash and go. And right now I'm just scrunching it up. And what this scrunching method does, gets my curls more curly and they spring back more. And you guys know I gotta go in with my Miss Jessie's. leave-in conditioner. This is the best darn leave-in conditioner, period. That's what that's what it says on the bottle, you guys. It's a lightweight moisturizing style prep for your curls, a detangling and softening foundation for your styler, coats and protects curls as you style. And then I'm also going in with the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. And then this is the best darn super soft gel, period. Wash and go for people who want popping curls without the crunch. Super soft curls, your shiniest, smoothest, sexiest curls yet. Okay, so we about to go in with that. And these are like my little go-to, you guys. Miss Jessie's has very good products. I've loved all of them. They have pillow soft curls. They also have, which I haven't bought in a while as well, but they also have multicultural curls, just like the Jelly Soft, and I love that one as well. So on my next little time that I run out of this bottle, I'm about to get one of those, and that we're just scrunching it up so you can get those curls popping, those curls on fleek. Okay. And that's how it's looking like out of the shower, you guys. And this is the finished product, okay? These curls are hydrated, they're popping. You can literally just go anywhere, face and conquer the world, conquer the day, because you like my hair so fresh, so clean, on fleek, okay? And I hope you guys liked this video. Comment down below what you guys thought about it, and I will see you guys on my next video. I love you, my beauties. Bye.